ROS is remaining. What is the meaning of the ROS? It is also essential for, this is also essential for prevents more and more water. What is that? Elimination. Nothing but it is useful for reabsorption of the water. It is increasing the volume of absorption of water from in renal tubule region. First one, R for renin, A for aldosterone, A for angiotensin, S for system. So nothing but the RAS system, it is also essential for prevents of, what is that? Prevents of water loss. Nothing but it is also essential for the reabsorption of the water from the renal tubule. The RAS system is nothing but renin. Renin is one of the protein. The protein molecules is essential for, the protein molecules are essential. The protein molecules are essential for reabsorption. The protein molecules, aldosterone, these are all are essential for the reabsorption of the water molecules from the renal tubules. This system, RAS system, this system is essential for reabsorption of water from renal tubule, from the renal tubule, region. So this RAS, nothing but renin, aldosterone, angiotensin, these are secreted from, what is that? Juxtamedullary apparatus. This proteins are secreted by juxtamedullary apparatus. The RAS is secreted by, juxtamedullary apparatus. Note down, juxtamedullary apparatus, not a juxtamedullary region, not a juxtamedullary cells. These are secreted by the juxtamedullary apparatus. So the juxtamedullary apparatus consistent of 3 different type of cells are there. These are also responsible for reabsorption of the water molecules from the renal tubules. How many? The juxtamedullary apparatus are consistent of, are made up of 3 different type of cells. What is the 3 different type of cells are there? First is maca densa or maca densa or maca densa. First one is maca densa, second one is juxtamedullary cells. Juxtamedullary cells, maca densa, juxtamedullary cells, and third one is mesangial cells. Mesangial cells. Which one? The juxtamedullary apparatus. The juxtamedullary apparatus containing how many? 3 different type of cells are there. What are they? Maca densa, juxtamedullary cells, and mesangial cells. So what is that? Where it is located? These are located near of the medullary region, and near of the medullary and what is the Bowman's capsule, nothing but Malpighian tubule region. These cells are near of, very very important, these cells are 3 different type of cells are there. These cells are located the near of Malpighian tubule, and as well as medullary region. Let's see the diagram of this juxtamedullary. This one juxtamedullary apparatus. This is juxtamedullary cells, not apparatus. Juxtamedullary cells. So the renin is secreted by the juxtamedullary apparatus. So what is the important? These are also responsible for reabsorption of more water. Reabsorption of the more water from renal tubule. So it is converts into hypertonic urine. So it is converts into which urine? Hypertonic. Let's see once. Malpighian tubule. This is known as a glomerular region. Where it is located? Near of the Malpighian and medullary region. So this is a medullary region. This is a cortex region. It is a medulla. Clear. Let's see the first one is a macula densa. What is that? Macula densa. The macula densa, it is on above. Macula densa is on above of the glomerular region. Glomerular region. What is that? First one, macula densa. It is located on above and above of the glomerular region. On above of the glomerular, this one is macula densa. Clear. Second one is juxtamedullary cells. Yes, very important. The juxtamedullary cells are located in renal artery and renal vein region. These are located in renal artery and renal vein. A clusters of the cell. A cluster of the juxtamedullary cells. A cluster of juxtamedullary cells are located in renal arteries and renal vein region. Renal arteries and renal vein region. Next, this one is second one. Which one? Juxtamedullary cells. Juxtamedullary cells are located in renal artery and renal vein. These are a cluster, a group of cells are there located in the renal arteries region. What is the importance? These are responsible for when our body have a low amount of the water molecules and the blood volume level is low. So these cells will be activated and absorption of the more water from our bloodstream. So next one, mesangial cells. The mesangial cells are located in between of macula densa and glomerular region. In between of macula densa and glomerular region. Where it is located? The third one is known as a mesangial cells. The mesangial cells are located in between of macula densa and glomerular region. So this is known as a third one is known as a mesangial cells. Mesangial cells. So there is no they don't know any proper function about the mesangial cells for the reabsorption process. Okay, clear? What is the RAS? RAS is nothing but it is also secreted. This is one of the system. It is secreted by juxtaglomerular apparatus. So juxtaglomerular apparatus are secreting RAS. This RAS containing the combination of the RAS containing a group of the proteins are there. What are they? Renin, aldosterone and angiotensin. These are these proteins like that. In glomerular, just to recapitulate, in the ultrafiltration process, the glomerular region, albumin act like albumin is producing high pressure, exerting high pressure against the blood pressure. So albumin is one of the protein, as well as the renin and aldosterone, angiotensin also one of the protein. These are also responsible for reabsorption of the water from the renal tubule region. Only that's the reabsorption of the water from the renal tubule region. It is converts into hypertonic urine. It is converts into hyper means high concentrated urine. It is caused by the presence of RAS. It is caused by presence of the RAS. So the RAS is secreted by these cells. These cells are located in nephron region. First one, this juxtamedullary apparatus is made up of three different type of cells are there. So macula densa, juxtamedullary cells and mesangial cells are there. Macula densa is one of the cells. It is located on surface of the juxtaglomerular region. Glomerular region, above the glomerular region. So these are also responsible for the reabsorption of the water. Clear? So next one is second one is juxtamedullary cells. They group a group of the cells are there in the renal arteries and renal vein region. So these are also responsible for reabsorption. Clear? Third one is is known as a mesangial cell. Is located in between of macca densa and glomerular region. So it is, there is no don't know about the proper function about this mesangial cells. So now we are completion about the osmoregulation.